Have you sold as much as you can to your existing customers? 2020 turned into a much more turbulent year in sales than most of us anticipated. And we're still seeing much of the same in 2021, but we still have to make our quotas. That's where I can help. I'm Patricia Watkins, Managing Partner and Sales Growth Expert with M.O.R.E Sales Advisors. I work with companies who want to accelerate their sales results. And I've led sales teams that grew from zero to over $100 million in annual sales. And another team that grew from $500 million to over $800 million in 1 year. And I've led several teams from worst to first. I help companies improve sales results by expanding their pipeline with qualified opportunities, improving close rates, developing explosive growth within existing customers, building stronger customer relationships, referral selling, and much more. In my 1-hour keynote, half-day training, or customized online virtual presentations, I share strategies to grow your company's top and bottom line. I show sales teams how they can expand sales with their existing customers today with battle-tested, proven strategies. And these are not ordinary one-way boring presentations. Using audience interaction, inspiring stories, as well as hands-on workshops, your sales team will learn strategies that will improve your top and bottom line long after I leave the podium or their computer screen. Call me to discuss how I can help you accelerate your sales.